LA for a special Citadel screening.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming.
It really means the most to us. This is 5 years in the making.
Very excited to be here. I do hope you enjoy.
8 years ago, you two were Citadel's top spies, but we were double-crossed by one of our own.
Wow.
It was amazing. The action was insane.
It blew my mind. It looked like the most epic saga ever.
Every agent around the world is looking for you two.
The cast, are you kidding? The chemistry was just fabulous. A lot of twists, a lot of turns.
Just really well done.
I want to watch more. If you love action, if you love romance, and if you love explosions, then this is definitely a show for you to watch.